Greetings. Here's a short video about our website. So how do you get there? Well, first you go and you open up your web browser and you type in faithmarietta.com. And you'll come to this screen. You'll see our familiar logo up in the corner. It's just really kind of an introductory piece here that people see. It's a changing set of pictures. Connect to the website of the school. Again, the only difference between the church and the school website is .com versus .org. Our faith school is .org. The church is faithmarietta.com. You have an upper menu up here. Wherever you see the word give, just click it. It takes you to our online giving. You drop a pin in there, and because I've already set mine up and it's ready to go in seconds, you can make a donation. And you can find that there. All the way down here there's a great big button that says under up and coming events, online giving. Kind of putting it there as a feature for a while until people discover it's there. But if you go to the bottom, there's a menu down here with some basic information, how to connect to our church. Give down here, and our CCB login is here. So if you click on this, this will take you to CCB, where you simply log in, put in your email address and your password, and you're in our church database. When you want to find the service goes out, and you'll see this is right below this. If you're new section, these are called blog posts, changeable pieces of our website, and this is the newest one. That's the video. You just simply go there, you can find it, and then click on YouTube and watch the video. Pretty simple. Here's last Sunday's Easter worship. Again, it's a blog post, and here's the 8 o'clock. Here is the 11 o'clock. You just click on the YouTube, click the corner to make it go full screen. These are designed to be places where we throw a piece of information out, an inspirational article, daily devotions during Passion Week. If you're doing those readings, those were posted here every single morning at 4 a.m. Here's a video on Easter. There is the Good Friday. So this represents Easter Sunday, Easter Sunday, Easter Sunday. That went out on Saturday. This was Saturday, Saturday, Friday, Friday. So those are very recent pieces. Those are all new. All right. One more thing that I would show to you is if you go up under Engage, you can find two things. First, you can find the weekly newsletter, right? Or if you go back to the screen to Engage and you want to put a prayer request out, you'll be able to find that there. And again, fill in the blanks, details, and when you filled all the required ones in, and the submit button will show. That's it for today. Hope it's helpful. Look for more to come. Christ blessing.